Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this ETF report for SQQQ. The report was first published on our website Thursday, September 1, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell SQQQ? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since August 29, 2022, our system ranks the SQQQ ETF as a sell candidate, giving it a score of 0.830. In this period the stock has had a gain of 5.1%. This is an average return of 1.28% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for SQQQ, our last headline reads, SQQQ ETF downgraded to hold/accumulate. The SQQQ ETF price fell by -0.15% on the last day, Thursday, September 1, 2022, from $45.39 to $45.32. During the last trading day the ETF fluctuated 6.91% from a day low at $45.16 to a day high of $48.28. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 30.83% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day by 32 million shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 166 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $7.52 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $67.69, and the lowest price was $5.99. Right now the price is 33.05%, or $22.37, below 52-week high and 94.39%, or $763.15, below all-time high March 12, 2020 where the price hit $808.47. The ETF lies the upper part of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good selling opportunity for the short-term trader as reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be expected. A breakup at the top trend line at $47.36 will firstly indicate a slower falling rate, but may be the first sign of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -31.99% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -56.70% and -28.94%. The 12-month trend indicates a 28.82% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -52.44% and 97.17%. This equals a price between $21.55 and $89.36 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for SQQQ. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the ETF. The SQQQ ETF holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $42.41 and $40.97. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence-divergence (MACD). Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, August 31, 2022, and so far it has fallen -0.15%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and the ETF should be followed more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence-divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 173 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 5 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 3 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a buy signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 29 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 26 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for SQQQ. SQQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $44.53, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This ETF may move much during the day, volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this ETF is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the ETF moved $3.12 between high and low, or 6.91%. For the last week, the ETF has had daily average volatility of 7.69%. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, SQQQ meets first resistance at $45.39. If you do not hold SQQQ shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, SQQQ finds first level of support at $44.53, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. Our recommended stop loss is $44.21, minus 2.46%. This ETF has high daily movements, and this gives high risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 1 day ago. Is SQQQ ETF a buy? SQQQ holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF since the last evaluation from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Friday 2nd, we expect SQQQ to open up 93 cents and start trading at $46.25. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.